Hello everyone, welcome back to Gowri kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make mushroom pulao. This is very simple to prepare and very delicious. Please do try it at home. If you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Now let's see how to do it. Take 4 bay leaves, 2 green chilies, a small piece of seaweed, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon jeera, a small piece of mace, 1 star anise, 4 cloves and small piece of cinnamon. Take 500 grams of mushroom and wash it thoroughly. Cut them to big pieces. Also chop 5 big onions and take half cup of ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Now let's start preparing mushroom pulao. Today we are going to prepare this pulao in cooker. So take a cooker, add butter 1 tablespoon and ghee 3 tablespoons. When the butter melts, let's add the spices and fry them for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add the big onions finely chopped. Fry the onions until it turns to golden brown in color. Now let's add ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Fry them for some time. After this, we are going to add washed mushrooms. Wash the mushrooms in hot water. Take coconut milk 3 cups. You don't need thick coconut milk. You can also have little watery. Now let's add 2.5 cups of rice, which I have soaked for half an hour. Add required amount of salt and add the coconut milk. After mixing the rice with mushrooms and other ingredients. After adding coconut milk, check whether salt is correct. If not, you can add little. We have added 3 cups of coconut milk, so be little careful while adding water. I have added only 3/4 cup of water and kept whistle for 10 minutes in high flame. After that, no need to release the pressure. When the pressure releases naturally, you can serve it hot. Now our tasty yummy mushroom pulao is ready. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.